Hello, welcome back to Learn English with Alex. Today we're going to learn the prepositions of time. Yes, I know they're a little bit tricky. Why do we say in the morning, but at night? Or at 5 o'clock, but in 2 minutes? At Christmas, but on Christmas Day? In this video, we are going to look at the general rules and the exceptions. And at the end of the video, we will do some exercises to test your knowledge. We will begin in 3 seconds. In is most often used for periods of time. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. But remember, we don't say in the night, we say at night. For months, seasons, years, and centuries, we also use in. I was born in June, in summer, in 1993. Or you can say in the 1900s, in the 20th century. When talking about the past, you can say in the past. I often wore pink in the past and now I never do. And for the future, you can say in 5 minutes, in 2 weeks, in 1 year. For example, I will be finished with my class in 1 year. We also say in time. When you're not late and you're a bit early with time to spare, you can say in time. I like to get to the airport in time to have a coffee before I board my plane. It's really important not to confuse it with on time. On time means not late and not early, but at the right time. I'm always right on time for my hair appointments because I don't like to be early and wait. At. It is used for specific time and specific points in time. We can say at the moment and at present. At the moment, I am filming a video. We also say at night, at the end of the week, at the end of the year. For meals, at breakfast, at lunchtime, at dinner time. We also say at the weekend, but it is also common in the USA to say on the weekend. You can choose whichever one you prefer, at the weekend, on the weekend. And finally, when talking about holidays, the holiday time, we say at Christmas. I can't wait to see you at Christmas, or at Easter. But remember, if you're talking about a specific day, we say on Christmas Day, on Easter Sunday. And finally, on. On is for specific days. On Tuesday, on June 5th, on Christmas Day, on Valentine's Day. And remember, you can say on the weekend. Now that you know the rules and the exceptions, let's test your knowledge. If you need to, pause the video so that you can think of the answer. Are you ready? Let's begin. The weather is usually really nice in Spain. Summer. The weather is usually really nice in Spain in summer. I usually visit my family. Christmas. We eat lots of food. Christmas Day. I usually visit my family at Christmas. We eat lots of food on Christmas Day. We're meeting dinner time Monday. We're meeting at dinner time on Monday. Alex is arriving June the morning. Alex is arriving in June in the morning. Reading books, night. It's a great habit. Reading books at night is a great habit. I really hope that this video made it a lot clearer for you. If you want some more exercises, I will be leaving them in the comments below. And if you have any questions or any requests, please let me know. I am here to make videos for you. All right, I will see you next time, and thank you for watching.